Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Another day, another video. Today we're bringing you a delicious seafood recipe, spicy fish sticks, which is great for the winter season. Let's get started. We will be using tilapia. You can use any fish you like. Take 2 pounds of boneless fish and cut into long strips. The strips should not be too thick or too thin. It should be like this. We will start to marinate the fish now. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, half teaspoon turmeric powder, which is optional, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. You can use lemon juice instead of vinegar. Now give it a good mix for 1 to 2 minutes. We will move on to the breading now. Take 2 eggs and a pinch of chili powder and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together. Take each fish strip one at a time. Cover it with a generous amount of corn flour. And then dip it into the egg. And lastly, cover it with breadcrumbs. Do this with each of the fish strips. We are done with breading. If you want, you can freeze it up to 4 weeks. Now we will move to the last step. Take oil for deep frying. You can use an oven or an air fryer. Place each of the strips one at a time. Do not overcrowd the pan. Leave it for 5 to 7 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. The spicy fish sticks are ready to be eaten. This serving is enough for 4 people. You can enjoy it as an appetizer or during snack time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment in the section below. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive our videos every other day. Thank you.